So we're going to do another jigsaw puzzle just because I wanted to check the number of pieces in this. I don't think all the pieces are here. This is a 60-piece jigsaw puzzle. I haven't zoomed out, which is a bit silly. We'll have to zoom out as we go. So anyway, let's do this. This is 60 pieces. I can't remember the other one that I did. I think it was less than 60 pieces. So we'll find out. Let's go. This is going to be such a confusing thing because it is with another jigsaw puzzle underneath because I can't be bothered putting that other one away yet. Because I have another dinosaur one that I was going to do in the series. Nope, that does not go there. Why would you think it goes there? That goes there. Alright, let's just start getting the pieces out in one big go, because then I can look at the box. Maybe all the pieces are here. Oh, I've just realized something. This jigsaw puzzle is a portrait, not a landscape. So we're not going to do this. I'm not doing this upside down. I'm doing it on the side. So maybe that makes it a bit easier, because otherwise it won't fit in the picture. Because, you know, landscape and portrait, they don't get on that well. So this ain't no TikTok video. And so that goes there, and this goes there. Alright, if I could do this in a TikTok video time, that would be pretty impressive. Alright, so we've got this. This is the box. This is what it's going to look like. We're going to make it look like this way. Alright, okay, so what I was doing here was wrong. That's the bottom corner. And this is going to go over here. And this one, where does this piece go? That goes there. Okay. And that's part of this dude. So that one goes there. And then that probably goes about there. That's Thomas, the whatchamacallit. The train of doom. So, and this is going to go on top of this guy here. This is going to go, alright. And that's going over on the side. That's going, I think, just above him. That bit's probably going to connect onto that's a part of a bridge. There's a bridge thing. This is the other side of the bridge. Or no, this is the side of the bridge. So in that case, I'm confused. This is the other side of the bridge. This is going to go over here where you can't see it yet. So that's okay. So where's that piece go? It doesn't go there. It doesn't go. That links onto that piece. That links onto there. That probably goes somewhere. Let's get these guys sorted. And that's that piece. That goes there. And then that's probably part of her. Don't ask me what her name is. Don't ask me what any of their names are, except maybe Thomas. Thomas is number one. The number one Thomas around here. That piece just is going to go there. This piece is going to go over here. So how wide is this going to be? I really have to find out how wide this is going to be. So that piece goes there. That's that guy's terrifyingly scary face. And it looks a bit like he's got the Dracula widow's peaky thing going on. That's the Thomas. If you're here for the Thomas action, you just got it. It happened right this second. All right. This piece goes that way. What was I thinking? That piece goes there. Boring sky. Boring sky. Boring sky. Boring. This guy's hiding off in this. Look at this guy. He's hiding off in the corner over here somewhere. We'll come back to that guy. And then we've got this one, and that's going to go there. That's going to be fun. And this is going to go like that. So we're zooming, and she's going to come along here, and she's just going to join up like that. And then before you know it, that guy's Thomas is coming in here. So I think this is actually this wide. So is my finger actually showing up? I think it's almost just the height. This is A4 sized. That as bonkers as that sounds, I think that's actually the case. So that piece possibly doesn't go there, but it might go somewhere nearby. And this piece goes somewhere over there. This piece goes up in the sky. This piece goes up in the sky. This piece goes there. And that piece goes there. That probably goes there. Alright, and then this is happening over there in the corner. That's part of that dude. This boring sky, and this is going over the top of this somewhere. It's going in there. This is going not there, but it looks like it should go somewhere. It goes over here somewhere. Okay, that one goes there. This is going down the bottom somewhere. And we still haven't linked these guys up though. So it feels like that should go there. That should... Alright, there's the sky is made slightly interesting by a helicopter. That's a Thomasy part. That's another thing part. So this is a piece we need at the bottom. So now we've made the bottom part. It's all magic and work together. So there's a castle going off on the side here. And that's actually not my hair. So there's a free hair in the box. That's nice. And that one goes there. And then this one goes like over on the side. So we're going to do the boring sky. We're getting the boring sky out of the way. This boring sky has... How does this work? What is this piece? It's got to go like that. Okay. So that goes there. And that goes there. And this is going to go somewhere around there. This is going to go somewhere around there. And then we've got this part done. How much time have we done? 8 minutes so far. It was going well. And then I really do think these jigsaw puzzle videos are really spicing up the channel a bit. That one can go there. And does this go over there? It goes over here somewhere. And this piece goes to there. And so I'm assuming this piece goes right there. And then that piece must go there then. Okay, nice. I'm just doing it kid style, just ramming it in anywhere until it fits. And that one piece goes there. Okay, we're on the home stretch now. It's done. This whole thing is over. There's nothing left to do but just bask in the glory of having finished. So are all the pieces going to be here? I am now thinking, my thoughts have changed. I did once think that nay, they would not all be there. But yes, I am beginning to... What the heck does this piece go? I should look at the picture. Oh, right, it's got the thing on there. It's got the guy on the corner. It goes right there. Okay, and it's got a bit of red on it, so it's going down there. Surely that one goes there, right? It does. Okay, and then I'm definitely leaning towards all the pieces are in fact here. And where does this piece go? What the heck is this? It goes there. Okay, so that one's got to go to that piece, or maybe not. Maybe not. No, maybe I was a bit hasty. We've only got... Oh no, we've got 4 pieces left. That looks like that actually is correct. Okay, that piece goes there. That piece goes there. That piece goes there. Best $1 I ever spent. I think I spent $1. It's the price on the box. No pieces missing. Alia, 4 years old, did this by herself. Well, good work, person whose name I'm not entirely sure how to say. It doesn't actually say. I'm pretty sure I paid it. I know I paid $1 for it. That was alright. It was in the random dollar section of jigsaw puzzles. So everything's on the thing. That's nice. Thanks for watching for that completely pointless jigsaw puzzle video. Bye.